What is Smores app? So this is an interesting app which helps you to discover music. And why it's different from other apps like that, because it has this interesting design when it kind of reminds TikTok feed. So you kind of sign in just with your Spotify account, and the app feels like your like TikTok, and then you can just swipe around, swipe up or down, and then you just have your feed here. And then so that's the app that allows users to discover new music through a TikTok-like feed. The app lets you listen to a short clip of a song recommended based on your own listening history. You can then swipe through the vertical feed to skip to the next song clip, or like the current song with the heart button, which saves the like to your Spotify account. The liked tracks will appear in the new playlist called Smore Discovery, or you can add the track to another pre-existing playlist if you choose. So yeah, you just need to tap the album cover to play. Yeah, it's an interesting app that caught my attention. Then you can just like the song, or you can just tap to open in Spotify. So yeah, it just depends like how you like to discover new songs. Sometimes you can just go to discover weekly playlist in Spotify or like Apple Music, and just click next until you like some new song or discover a new artist or something like that. Here you can just swipe as you have on TikTok. You can pick a genre in top. So here you can just reset to all, and then it's just adds all recommendations, and there are some settings like you can see some snippet size. You can see all of these different tracks and all of that. So yeah, that's basically the idea. Then you have your profile, and so interesting concept. Give it a try, definitely. Yeah, it's not working with Apple Music at the moment. It's only Spotify, so give it a try.